Hey guys, we're live at 6:20, and we're running a mini. I'm going to copy the 30 spots here. We're running a mini for the gigantic 11 winner AFA graded figure battle. Going to have a lot of happy folks at the end of this. There it is. We get top 4 win spots in the main. Going to paste in there. There they are, 1 through 30. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. And we did. We got an 8. So we're golden. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Bill, round 1. Josh, 2. Eric, 3. Bill, 4. Jeff takes round 5. Raymond, 6. Josh in the top spot for our next to last round, round 7, with number 17. Bring us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Jeff, Raymond, Eric, and Eric. Congratulations, guys. Here's our official results. LKQQZI. There are our top 4. Well played, fellas. I'm done at 6:21. There she is. Again, here's our official results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks. Catch you in Maine.